This video will show you how to calculate the number of days between two dates in Microsoft Excel using the DATEDIF function. Type the start date in a cell. Type the end date in a second cell. Type formula in a third cell and press Enter. Copy this formula as needed and paste it next to other dates you're trying to find the difference between. Using the days function, type the start date in a cell. Type the end date in a second cell. Type the formula in a third cell and press Enter. This is opposite the order of the DATEDIF function. Using subtraction, type the start date and end date in a cell. Type the formula in a third cell and press Enter. Changing date formats. Select the cells. Right-click the cells and choose Format Cells, or click the arrow down in the right side of the number group. Click the Number tab, then select the Date category. From here, you can choose a location that formats dates in the way that you prefer. Choose your preferred date format under the Type heading. Click OK to save your selection. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.